Let's discuss question number 9 in circles. XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting XY at A and X dash Y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB equal to 90 degrees. This angle. Okay. Here given XY is a tangent at point P and X dash Y dash is a tangent at point Q and XY is parallel to X dash Y dash. Okay, and another tangent AB intersecting circle at C. This is the given data. Here we need to prove angle AOB. Angle AOB equal to 90 degrees. This angle. Here construction is join OC. Okay. Join O on C. See proof. Here consider the triangles. Here we have two approaches. First approach is consider the triangles AOC and triangle AOP. Consider triangles AOC and triangle AOP. These two triangles AOP and AOC. Okay. See here OP and OC are radii of the circle. Okay. So here OC equal to OP. Why? Radii of same circle. Okay. Next OA equal to OA. OA is the common side. OA equal to OA common side. Next AP equal to AC. Why? The lengths of a triangles drawn from an external point. Here external point is A. Okay. The lengths of a tangents drawn from an external point is equal. AP equal to AC. Reason is the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point of circle are equal. Okay, so AP equal to AC. Here using side congruency. Triangle AOC is congruent to triangle AOP. Here these two triangles are congruent. Okay. So corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Okay. Suppose this is angle 1. This is angle 2. Here angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This is equation 1. Okay. In same way, consider the triangles BOC and BOQ. Here consider the triangles BOC and BOQ. Okay. Here OC equal to OQ. Why? Radii of same circle. Okay. And OB equal to OB. This is the common side. And BC equal to BQ. Reason is the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. Here B is the external point. Drawn two tangents BC and BQ from external point. So the lengths of the tangents are equal. Okay. OC equal to OQ, radii of the same circle. OB equal to OB, this is a common side, and BC equal to BQ. The lengths of a tangents drawn from an external point of the circle are equal. Okay, here using S congruency. Therefore, triangle BOC is congruent to triangle BOQ. So, suppose this angle equal to 3. This is angle 4. Okay. Here angle 3 equal to angle 4. Why? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. This is equation 2. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. We know sum of the angles in straight line. In straight line, total angle equal to 180 degrees. Okay, this total angle equal to 180 degrees. In straight line, total angle equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degrees. 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degrees. Okay. We know angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay. In place of angle 1, we can write angle 2. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. In place of angle 4, we can write angle 3. Okay. Angle 2 plus angle 2. 2 times of angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 3. 2 times of angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees by 2. Okay. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 by 2. Value is 90 degrees. See. Angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3. This angle equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Therefore, angle AOB equal to 90 degrees. Hence proved. Okay. Second method to solve this question. Let's discuss second approach. We have already proved triangle AOC is congruent to triangle AOB. Okay. So, these two triangles are congruent. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Suppose here angle equal to angle 1. This is angle 2. Here angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CPCT. Okay. We know triangle BOC is congruent to triangle BOQ. These two triangles are congruent. By corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Here angle equal to angle 3. This is angle 4. Here angle 3 equal to angle 4. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. We know two parallel lines cut by a one transversal. Okay. Sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversal equal to 180 degrees. Okay. In same way, XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel lines. AB is the one transversal line. Here XY is parallel to X dash Y dash and AB is a transversal line. Okay. So, sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal equal to 180 degrees. This angle plus this angle. Okay, angle PAB plus angle QBA equal to 180 degrees. PAB and QBA equal to 180 degrees. PAB angle 1 plus angle 2. QBA angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degrees. We know angle 1 equal to angle 2. In place of 1 we can write angle 2. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. In place of angle 4 we can write angle 3. 2 times of angle 2 plus 2 times of angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees by 2. Therefore, angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Here consider the triangle, big triangle AOB. Sum of the angles in triangle equal to 180 degrees. Here we get angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Therefore, angle AOB, third angle AOB equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Therefore, angle AOB equal to 90 degrees. Hence proved.